Welcome back to my channel. So I want to wish you guys a happy new year. This is actually the first video for the year. I want you guys to actually subscribe to the channel, and then there's a lot of content that I'm preparing this year for you guys. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, and then we keep it moving. So basically, in today's video, I'm going to talk about Stakecut affiliate marketing. Over the years, I've made videos about Stakecut affiliate marketing and how you can start doing affiliate marketing on Stakecut. But in this particular video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do, and if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, want to get started with Stakecut, everything you need to understand about Stakecut and how you can get started. So this particular video is going to be in series format. I'm going to make to this first video, and then I'll make subsequent video, put them all of them into a playlist. You can just go and watch those playlists and get idea, understand everything that you need to know about Stakecut, and then you can actually fly from there. So basically, let's just get right straight into the video. So what's Stakecut affiliate marketing? So basically, affiliate marketing is actually promoting other people's products. So you promote other people's products and then you get commission of it. So affiliate marketing is actually a business model that has been around for a very long time, just like we have network marketing. But the difference between both of them is that with network marketing, it's like a tree kind of format kind of marketing where one person brings somebody and another person brings another person, and you guys have this tree kind of format, and everybody gets to earn commissions of what they are trying to bring from different individuals. But with affiliate marketing, what you're actually doing is that you don't actually own the product, you just go and promote on behalf of the person, and then you get commission of the sales you make. That's basically what affiliate marketing is. And basically, every one of us watching me right now, at one point in our life, we're actually an affiliate, or we've actually done affiliate marketing. What do I mean by that? You've actually told somebody about a product or a service that you used and that you liked, and then you recommended it to somebody, just that you didn't earn a commission. So now, right now, if you are doing that with basically using the affiliate marketing model, you're going to be earning commission, you're going to be getting money for whatever products you're going to be recommending to anybody, a friend or a customer. So that's basically what affiliate marketing is. That's going to help us understand what Stakecut affiliate marketing is all about. So on Stakecut, it's actually it's like our affiliate marketing marketplace where we can go and pick product or service that we want to promote. Obviously, the only way you make money online or offline is actually by promoting or selling the service or a product. So if you're going to be selling a service or a product, you need to actually have the product. So if you don't have the product as an affiliate, which is why you're an affiliate, you go and look for someone who have the product, and then you partner with them, and when you bring in customers you get commission. So that's what Stakecut is going to be doing for us. We don't have the product, we go on Stakecut, so we're going to register on Stakecut, and then we'll take products that are already available on Stakecut and go and promote. We'll get commission for promoting all of those products. So I'm just going to dive right straight to my computer to show you exactly how to sign up for Stakecut. If you don't have a Stakecut account, you can sign up on Stakecut, and then you can continue for this. So let me just go right straight into my computer screen. So right now I'm in my computer screen. I'm on the Stakecut platform. So I'm on stakecut.com. If you don't know how I got here, just go to stakecut.com, or you just check out the link in the description. You can go and see it. So you can see here, Stakecut is actually a platform where you can actually, if you want to start online business with low capital, join Stakecut. We give you products, website training, everything you need to start a full business online, and we pay weekly. So Stakecut is actually a very, very good platform. It's more than just an affiliate marketing platform. You can actually sell courses, you can be a vendor as well on Stakecut. But this particular business model I'm showing you just being an affiliate. So the next thing I want to click here is like login. I have like a demo account specific for this particular video. So I'm just going to explain the whole dashboard and how Stakecut marketing look like. The dashboard, when you log in, I'm just going to show you how it looks like. So if you don't have an account, you can sign up and follow the prompt, just like the way you open the social media account. So if you come on stakecut.com and you sign up, it's going to ask if your bank details, period bank details, so you can be able to receive money. But I'm just going to log into a particular demo account, and you can see how it looks like on the inside. So the first thing you want to see here at the left hand side is an affiliate account. This is an affiliate account. If your vendor account is going to have like vendor at the top, this is the demo account I'm using to actually show you guys how to do marketing on Stakecut. So if you see here, affiliate dashboard, marketplace, top affiliate, find content, approve products. So I'm going to explain every single one of them here. So what is affiliate dashboard? Affiliate dashboard is where you see all of the your earnings, how many number of sales you've made, what level you are as an affiliate on Stakecut. You see top vendors, you see active context by your left, by my right hand side rather. So best selling products of the day, recent transaction. You're also going to see recent transaction, meaning that people who try to actually purchase from any products you're actually promoting but did not complete the process. You can see here, and one valuable thing that Stakecut has is that a powerful feature whereby they give you access to the person's email address as well as the phone number. So you can just call the person and be like, I noticed you were trying to make a purchase on XYZ day. They also give you the time and the day the person was actually trying to make the purchase. So you can call the person and be like, I saw that you are trying to make a purchase, you didn't complete, what was the problem? You can follow up on your lead and then try to close them. So this is actually what you can find on the affiliate dashboard. The next thing is marketplace. Marketplace is where you go and look for the products you want to promote. You can see different products that you have on Stakecut. We have different products like services, like coaching program, like digital products, like we have digital products, services, physical products. You can go here and pick anyone that suits your interest or that you find very, very interesting, and you can start promoting them. So this is basically what the marketplace is all about. It's where you go and look for products. The next thing on the left is actually to find top affiliates. People that are actually doing a lot of sales in Stakecut. This is where you see them. You come to the find affiliate section, and then you can see that's like top affiliates. You see all of the people who are actually making a lot of money on Stakecut, and then you can see where they are, how many sales they've made. Stakecut is so transparent. And then you can also go to find contest. Find contest is where people are actually giving incentive. If you reach a particular milestone, you can earn a particular amount of money for promoting their product. So this is what you see on the find contest aspect of Stakecut, which is on the dashboard. You can also see approved products. Approved products are products you are actively promoting. Products that you are promoting, this is where you see them. Other menus, all these things are just self-explanatory. Upcoming products, what's coming on the platform, bestsellers, Stakecut University, where you also see videos, content that teach you how to do Stakecut marketing as well. So basically, if you are enjoying this video right now, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because it gives me the motivation to make more videos like this, just to help you guys and also help me to also grow on the YouTube space. So make sure you subscribe now. Click on the subscribe button now. I'm going to give you some seconds to subscribe now. So let's just get right straight into the video. So I'm just going to go to the marketplace. So for you now, the next thing you need to do while you're trying to figure out your Stakecut marketing journey is that you need to also understand what kind of products you want to promote. You can promote products based on the type. If it's a digital product you want to promote, you can also promote products based on the pricing. So you can look at the price and be like, I like the price and I want to promote this particular products to any audience I have or any audience I intend to market to. You can also promote products based on the commission. So you can look at the commission and be like, if you want to look at more commission, you can actually check out products that have more commission and based on the pricing. And the different strategies to actually pick a product. It depends on you. So you can look at if it's a particular digital product you want to promote, then it's fine. So also those are like things you need to look at when you're trying to take a product, and then you need to look at the particular products that you are taking. Does it solve a problem? Will it be easy for you to market? Those are things you consider. So for me, I will just look at any products that I want to promote, and then I'll pick one. So let's say, for example, I want to promote this particular product on Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Program by Joshua Amba. I'm just going to click on promote. So this is actually how you actually promote on Stakecut. So let me explain something very quick as well. Here is that we have two pages here, JV page and product page. So the JV page is the page where the affiliate, the vendor, the owner of the product, is giving you all of the information that you actually need to promote the product. So for example, all of the testimonials, ad copies, ad creative, information about the product, everything you need to know about the product. If there's active content, you also get to know about that on the JV page. While on the product page is where the owner of the vendor is actually, the owner of the product, which is the vendor, actually have like all of the information as well that he's using to promote his own sales and all of that. So those are like the two things that we have here. And also, if you want to copy your affiliate link, you click on this copy affiliate link below, you click on it, and then you can copy your link. If you want to add extra bonus for yourself, to your audience, you can add the products, the bonus there. You can put those particular bonus on a particular Google Drive or something and put the URL and save it. You're going to be able to give out bonus to people, because as well that's like a marketing tactics, because if you are going to be selling something to somebody, then you have like extra bonuses that the person is going to have with it. They obviously want to buy from you. So it's just like the reverse psychology of sales. So this is like basic thing you need to know about stakeholder marketing and it is very very important that you understand this, because it's going to be a foundation for this particular series. If you don't want to miss out on this particular series that I'm making here on YouTube, showing you guys how to do stakeholder marketing, make sure you subscribe to my channel now. Subscribe to the channel now, because I make videos about make money online. I make videos about Facebook ads and digital marketing. So if you are looking to grow your business, you are looking to increase your sales, make sure you subscribe to my channel now. And also, if you are looking to work with me on Facebook ads, I help people to actually run Facebook ads that convert. So I'm able to run ads that convert for different brands and businesses. So make sure you click on the work with me section. You see it on my description, and send me an email that you want to run ads. We can be able to work together and help you get better results on your ads. So this is actually the end of this particular video. On the next video, I'm going to show you how to navigate the JV page, and also we're going to be talking about funnels, how to build funnels that convert on stakeholder marketing. So make sure you subscribe right now. Subscribe, like the video if you actually like, and if you have any question, make sure you ask on the comment section. I'm going to pick your question and I'm going to try to answer them. All right, so I'm going to see you in my next video.